because of every in holiday, if I school then holiday, I seldom to stay at home. Maybe I always stay up in my friend's home, then always take a walk in another place. When I'm homesick in my home, then for usually when I'm still student in school, in boarding school, every time for holiday, for free time, no time for school, I seldom to go home. Always follow my friends, go to my friends' home. Then every day I always different friends. Because that the first place I want to visit is my home. Because home is the place for comeback.
Comeback to Jumper.
Yeah, everyone has place together. Everyone has different place. Yeah, the best and the best home for comeback. Also for next time, for the next place I want to visit is
In abroad.
abroad.
Go abroad.
Yeah, go to abroad. Because of there are many another country I want to visit. Because of now my friend has take a job in different place. Not only one people. There are 7 people from my friend there's outside. Why they before it I ever together with them at one place and one time together maybe 3 years ago. Then for now they has stayed in outside because of they have a job in outside like teach or still learning in outside. One of I will tell about one of the place. First is in Mesir, then Yemen, then Australia, Thailand, and Malaysia. Everyone has different quality, has different IQ and different talent. Because of that, every one of my friends, has different talent, more talent. Not so they not only learn about English, they learn about another language too. Over there. I get the. Okay, thank you for your attention.